good within me, brethren. Me can't subscribe to nothing where hurt people, innocent people, nothing. Whether human being or spiritual deity, where hurt people, can't get my support. Whether politician, government official, nobody where hurt innocent people can't get my support. Yeah. And no oppressor. Pitney, where come boy a come put chain or take off chain and mimic what happened to my ancestors them in slavery cannot get my support. Me reject that with every ounce of my being. Yeah, man. So me good. But religion, brother, a manipulation, brother. Big manipulation. They manipulate the slave them when them tell us somebody come save them. So they go and work. What bigger manipulation than that you could have?